Getting everything cleaned up. We're gonna do this thing again. We're gonna pop chicken thighs. We got a couple different types of sausage. And I think that's it. Oh, maybe it's some hot dogs. So let's get it cracking. You know how we do it. Let it go. Again out here, all cleaned out and stuff. But we doing barbecue style today. No smoking. Sister-in-law popped up and my niece. They've been watching all these videos and I wanted to do this for them. Make sure they can get a plate while they visiting. So I'm getting it cracking. I gotta eat too. You know what I'm saying? But I want to make sure they get something. Just heating this bad baby up like we always do. I forgot, I'm putting some steaks on here too. So we got sausage, chicken thighs, and some steaks, and some turkey dogs. Nobody know if they like them turkey dogs or not. I bought them, so they going on here. All right, so we got this thing lined up. All these good meats we gonna have. We got them steaks over there. They got that buttery steak seasoning and cowboy butter seasoning on them. You know what I'm saying? Then we got these old garlic Italian sausages right there. We got 8 chicken thighs. And then we got that chicken andouille, and then we got that pork smoked sausage back there. It's looking good. Now let's get this lid closed. Keep it cracking out here. And I'll be capturing like this moment right here. Get that smoke coming out, man. That's just so beautiful to me. That's what we do. We just went up. I forgot I had these corn. So we need to cook that corn. We ain't gonna let that corn go to waste. So we just went up. Now we got some corn on the plate. Just a real quick flip on everything. It's all looking amazing out here. Loving what we seeing. Let's keep it rocking. Get that lid shut. We out here. Flip number 2. We flipping them. We're moving these chicken thighs down now because we gotta get this skin right. We need crispy skin or else we ain't eating it. It's just what it is. Slimy skin is not an option. We don't do that around here, so. We're moving it down. Getting the skin right. Flip these steaks. These steaks are just over here in the cut, chilling. With that buttery steak seasoning and that cowboy butter seasoning on them. We already flipped the sausages. They're beautiful. They look good. We're getting there. But yeah, we gotta crispy up that chicken skin because we don't play that slimy stuff around here. No slime. Yep, hot dogs are in the game now. They part of the game. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna move this steak over though. And I'm gonna switch places with the corn. And I'm gonna move this steak over. Because I gotta work on this fat on this steak. I don't necessarily want no fat on my steak, but we at least wanted to cook some. Like the pork steaks, fat all day, give it to me. Pork chops, fat all day, give it to me off the grill. But beef fat, I'm good. I don't want it. But I'm gonna at least make sure it cooked though. In case I accidentally get a piece of it in my mouth. It's gonna be alright then. Yup. Show you what it looked like after I painted everything. Made it look all special and stuff. So, that's what we got going on right there. Everything's looking beautiful. Just gonna keep it rocking. You know what I'm saying? We got it all painted up now. Looking pretty. That butter goodness on that corn the right way. Before we mash down on it. Got the sausage off. I had to taste it. Sorry, I tasted it. Everything looking good. We got the chicken still out there. We gotta get that skin right because we don't play them games. And then we're gonna be eating up in here. With the mash, that garlic butter corn, and that barbecue. That's going down tonight. So that's the plate that my wife made me. And everything's good. We're gonna eat. Peace.